Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
China's industrial firms saw overall profits decline further in the January to October period as COVID-19 outbreaks flared up and cities imposed new virus curbs, including targeted lockdowns, dampening economic activity. Cryptocurrency fraud in the UK rose by 32% to £226 million in 1 year, according to data from the UK police unit Action Fraud, reported by the Financial Times. Russian state gas producer Gazprom withdrew a threat to reduce gas supplies to Moldova, but said it reserved the right to lower or halt flows in future if Moldova failed to make agreed payments.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT, Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT, Spain's consumer price index at 0800 hours GMT. The Portuguese consumer confidence will be released at 0930 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT, the US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.